Is it fake that Sam Altman is raising $7 trillion?
A $7 trillion bet on chips.
Reportedly looking to raise an eye-popping $5 to $7 trillion.
So, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, is launching a massive project with a mind-blowing investment target up to $7 trillion. That's more than the GDP of Japan, India, and Germany combined. So every common individual like us might be asking why there is a need to raise $7 trillion. But it's far more than that. There is a massive global shortage in semiconductor chips promoted by the rapid growth in the demand for generative artificial intelligence, shortly known as Gen AI. So according to Sam Altman, the present infrastructures and the facilities available for AI is not enough. We need far more fab capacity, energy, data centers as it is now. For that, we need to know what really AI chip is. So AI chip refer to specialized computing hardware used in the development and deployment of artificial intelligence systems. Since the development of AI is increasing and increasing since last decade, the new AI technologies model will need far more computing ability, which is provided by AI chips. Many breakthroughs of last decade like IBM Watson, History, and Lensa's viral social media avatars to OpenAI's ChatGPT have been powered by AI chips. And if the industry wants to continue pushing the limits of technologies like generative AI, autonomous vehicles, and robotics, AI chips will likely need to evolve as well. You might be asking, aren't there other AI chips companies to deal with this matter? And the simple answer is yes, there are. The current global AI chips market is monopolized by the Western giant NVIDIA. NVIDIA holds more than 80% market share in this field. But Sam Altman, we know he is different. He is looking for alternatives to NVIDIA's GPUs. He has already been talking to TSMC's Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company for AI chips.